Hello folks. So today we'll be solving our fifth question of the Leetcode SQL 50 series. This is the last question in the select category. Then comes the basic joins. So let's start. The question name is invalid tweets and the problem number is 1683. We can see only one table is provided here. Let's see what the description says. It says tweet ID is the primary key for this table. That is the column with unique values. No duplicates allowed. Then content consists of alphanumeric characters, or it can be a exclamation or a blank space, and no other special characters allowed. Fine. This table contains all the tweets in a social media application. So we can see in the example given for the table tweets, tweet ID, that is a primary key, 1 and 2 is there. Content can be anything, any random sentence. Okay. The problem statement is write a solution to find the IDs of the invalid tweets. The tweet is invalid if the number of characters is used in the content of the tweet is strictly greater than 15. It's saying we need the tweet IDs wherever the content, the number of digits, you can say the alphanumeric characters is more than 15. Fine. So let's start. First select the column that we need is tweet ID. From which table? The table name is tweets. So copy and paste from here. Then what is the condition that we need? So where content, where the content is more than, so it's saying strictly greater than 15, not at least greater or at least equal to 15. It is strictly greater than. So we'll give only greater than wala symbol, then 15. But this doesn't make any sense. Okay. So we have to give length here. Length, what it does, it counts all the number of elements, okay, in the particular row, and then it will return the output. So length will be like this. So if it is more than 15, then we'll get the output as 2. Okay, let's see, we'll run it. Fine, this is accepted for the particular test case. Let's submit it and see for the other test cases as well. Great. So 22 out of 22 cases have been, test cases have been passed. Okay. So thank you folks.